Visit my website printerever.com before going out to buy a printer just right for your needs.
In this video, Printer Ever provides an in-depth review of the 10 best printer for college students that you can find to handle your homework and lessons like a pro. When finding the ideal printer for you or your child, remember that printer companies make most of their money through the sale of ink. Just because a printer looks like a cheap option at first doesn't mean it will be once in use. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, HP Envy 4520 Wireless All-in-One Photo Printer. The HP Envy 4520 Wireless All-in-One Photo Printer is a classic in the industry. This HP model includes numerous standard features for an inkjet photo printer, including the ability to print, scan, copy, and print wirelessly from a variety of mobile devices. It works best when connected to a traditional desktop or laptop, but also implements mobile printing from smartphones and tablets. All you need to do is download a free and convenient app. Because this is a relatively inexpensive model, it prints on certain varieties of paper. This includes standard letterhead, legal paper, No. 10 envelopes, and any document of the following sizes: 4x6 in, 5x7 in, 8x10 in. Printing is available in black or color, and the HP Envy 4520 only works with designated HP cartridges. At number 2, Brother HLL2350DW Laser Printer. The Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer HLL2350DW lists its greatest feature in the name. This is a small, lightweight, and compact model designed to fit on desks, dressers, and tables. The full product dimensions are 14.2 x 14 by 7.2 in, and it weighs 16 pounds. While it is not the most lightweight option, it is portable and easy to carry to the dorms. It utilizes laser printing technology and connects easily to Ethernet or wireless technology. If you need to print from a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or standard desktop, it is possible. The maximum printing capacity is 32 pages per minute with a tray that holds 250 sheets ready for use. The greatest amount the Brother Compact HLL2350DW can handle in a month is 15,000 pages, with 2,000 being the most recommended number. At number 3, Canon PIXMA MG3620 Inkjet Printer. Students who like to decorate their dorm rooms will love how the Canon PIXMA MG3620 is available in multiple colors, including black, red, and white. Canon has long been synonymous with high picture quality, and this inkjet printer is capable of printing highly saturated images and color pages without difficulty. It also manages to create pure black text documents without hassle. The Canon PIXMA MG3620 is a high resolution with a maximum capacity of 4,800 by 1,200 color dots per inch. This produces incredible detail on lesson plans, notes, PowerPoint slides, and other documents your busy student might need to print. At number 4, HP DESKJET 3755 Compact All-in-One Wireless Printer. The HP DESKJET 3755 Compact All-in-One Wireless Printer has a long name with many claims. These claims are backed by the device itself, which strives to fulfill all of the potential office needs of a student, freelancer, or homework. This option can print, scan, and copy with the best of them and works with color images as well as standard black ink documents. It also can be used as a wireless printer, and students can reach the device through online options like HP ePrint, iPhone AirPrint, and Wireless Direct. The maximum capacity of the tray is 60 sheets, and the manufacturer recommends printing no more than 200 during the average month. It is compatible with multiple HP ink cartridges and accepts refurbished ones. At number 5, HP Envy 5055 Wireless All-in-One Photo Printer. The HP Envy 5055 Wireless All-in-One Photo Printer is popular for many reasons. Like several others on the market, the 5055 functions as a printer, scanner, and copier without sacrificing the quality of any of those devices. College students who are interested in having a full office in their dorm room will be pleased by the space-saving nature of this product. It uses high-yield cartridges to save users money and limit how much ink winds up on the pages. The full product dimensions are 14.4 by 17.5 x 5 in, and it weighs 12 pounds. It has a rather slow printing speed of 9 pages per minute but makes up for its snail's pace by printing high-resolution images and high-quality text documents. Number 6. Canon TS9120 Wireless All-in-One Printer. Canon continues to be a popular choice for printers intended for college students and home offices. This Canon TS9120 wireless model combines the function of the best printer for a college student's scanner and copier all in one without sacrificing quality. Because this is a Canon model, the TS9120 is known for its sharp color images and high-definition photos. It further works well when printing standard black text documents and features a simple, easy-to-read digital touchscreen. This model uses a 6-color individual ink system to illuminate the nuances and individual details of documents. At number 7. Canon TS5120 Wireless All-in-One Printer. The Canon TS5120 wireless printer prides itself on incorporating the function of a scanner and copier in the device itself. Students will be able to perform all of these functions with the convenience of a digital touchscreen and apps available from their laptop, smartphone, or tablet. A 1-year limited warranty is included with this product and covers basic wear and tear. Users are expected to only use compatible Canon ink cartridges. This model only prints 9 black pages per minute or 4 color pages depending on the resolution and complexity of the image. At number 8. Canon Selfie CP1300 Wireless Printer. The Canon Selfie CP1300 is another Canon model that emphasizes the importance of having high-quality color images. This lightweight and compact choice possesses full dimensions of 5.4 by 7.1 by 2.5 in, and weighs a mere 4 pounds. It is perhaps the most portable option college students will ever have, making it great for the dorms, the local library, or even a nearby coffee shop. With a printer this size, wireless connectivity is a must. In fact, the Canon Selfie CP1300 can only be connected to wirelessly. Students will be able to use their iPhones, iPads, tablets, and other smartphones without difficulty. At number 9. Workforce WF7710 Wireless Inkjet Printer. The Workforce WF7710 wireless wide-format color inkjet printer is powered by Precision Core and designed to go a step beyond traditional ink models. It is highly economical, utilizing 80% less power than the average color laser printer. It is convenient and has full dimensions of 32.2 by 22.3 by 13.4 in. The only downside to the size is that it weighs 44 pounds, which might be difficult to lug through the dorms or across campus. It has a digital touchscreen, double-sided capabilities, works with Epson ink cartridges, and includes a 1-year limited warranty. At number 10. Samsung XPRESS C430W Wireless Color Laser Printer. The Samsung XPRESS C430W Wireless Color Laser Printer is ideal for home offices and students who know they will want to print tons of documents, pictures, and lesson plans. This option includes simple NFC plus Wi-Fi connectivity as well as a built-in Ethernet connection so students can connect their computers to the printer anywhere on campus. It's even possible to print from a mobile device like a smartphone with the NFC feature. All you need to do is download the Samsung Mobile Print app, or use AirPrint or Google Cloud Print. When it comes to specs, the Samsung XPRESS C430W includes a 400 MHz processor and 64 MB memory. It is recommended for up to 500 pages of printing a month. It weighs 22 pounds, so it will be easy to get up and down the dorm stairs.
Visit my website printerever.com before going out to buy a printer just right for your needs.
We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.